The one who's going to be able to fulfill the trust is obviously he who is conscious of his duties unto Allah. Right at the beginning we spoke about the quality of prayer, and now we're mentioning the quantity of prayer. How many prayers are there? 5 prayers a day compulsory. Thereafter you may do more, voluntary, from yourself. What would you like to achieve? Once you have fulfilled the 5 daily prayers, you move on to a few extra prayers. You recite the Quran. The recitation of the Quran is an act of worship. You praise the Almighty repeatedly. It's called dhikr, adhkar. That remembrance is an act of worship. So Allah Almighty will help you develop the ability to fulfill your trust when you develop your punctuality with that which Allah has ordained, the prayers and whatever Allah has asked you to do. We ask Allah Almighty really and truly to grant us goodness.